So first, I'm gonna add these the whiter parts of the green onion and this red onion, and I'm gonna try and keep the red bell pepper in. And I'm going to saute with a little bit of water. That was dramatic. Alright, I'm gonna let those saute a little bit. I'm gonna add in, that is some minced garlic. And then here I have got some minced ginger. I want the red onion to get a little translucent, then I'll add the red bell pepper. I'll use this opportunity to season these things up. Now, the key to cooking with water and not oil is to always wait for all of the water to evaporate before adding just a little bit more water. Alright, the onions are a little soft now. I'm going to go ahead and add the red bell pepper. Give that a chance to cook. Alright, next we add the zucchini. Alright, zucchini cooks really quick, so what I'm going to do is now I'm going to clear out a spot in the middle. Just like I would do maybe eggs or something similar, I'm going to pour some oil in the middle. This is avocado oil. And I'm going to add our tofu, which is going to be our substitute for eggs. And to that, I'm going to add onion powder. Garlic powder, a little bit of turmeric, give it that yellow color. A teeny bit of adobo seasoning. Same thing for color and a little bit of taste. It's got some pepper in it and other things. And then a little bit of nutritional yeast for extra vitamins. Alright, add the rest of that oil and a little bit of sesame oil. By a little, apparently not a lot. And now it's time to add the fried, well, technically it's not fried, it's just regular rice. This is just some brown rice and quinoa that I cooked in an instant pot earlier, and I let it sit and cool to room temperature. And I'm gonna add a little bit of soy sauce. By a little, I mean a lot. And a little coconut aminos. Which is like soy sauce, but I think it has like a kind of sweeter flavor. And apparently it has like, I don't know, amino acids in it or something. Don't quote me. Do not quote me. Alright, and now for some extra protein, I have got some edamame beans. Oh no, I lost one. These are just frozen. Oh, I forgot an ingredient. Okay, last thing, I have got, some baby spinach and some baby kale. I'm just gonna tear it over here. I don't want any giant, I mean they can be giant, but you know. Okay, I think that's enough health. Hashtag get your greens in. Right, I'm gonna go in, taste this rice, see what it's missing. It's actually really good. It just needs a little bit more seasoning, so I'm gonna throw in some. well. Alright, so this is the finished dish. I know it's not like a traditional fried rice or like traditional, but I got the inspiration from this girl named Vegan and Adorable on Instagram. That's her ad name, and I'll post her like her Instagram and her Twitter down below. She has like bomb recipes. Highly, highly, highly recommend. This would be great to serve as a dinner. I'm gonna eat it for lunch for the week. You know, it's got protein, complex carbs, etc., 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 etc. Anywho, guess that's it. See you guys in my next video. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, bye.